Chase Bank, the best bank of America. So if you guys are also a citizen of America or you guys are American, then you guys can also create the Chase Bank account. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create the online Chase Bank account. So for this, you need to have an ordinary account of Chase Bank first, which I think you guys already have. So I'm going to assume you guys have already done the paperwork and have created an account by going to the bank physically. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can convert your ordinary account into an online version. So follow the step. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step. First step, you search for Chase Bank. You click on online banking. It'll take you to the official website of Chase Bank. Scroll a bit down, click on enroll now. Once you're over here, choose the type of account you want. I want a personal, and enter your card number over here or your application number, and over here enter your social security number, and over here enter your username, and then over here wait for some time. You need to fill this form up correctly. Entering your username, what you need to do is click on next, and on the next step it's gonna ask you for some more information. And after providing all the information, basically a Chase Bank's online banking account will be created, or you will be enrolled for Chase Bank's online banking account, to be clear. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.